YouTube, what is up? What is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a tire rotation and balancing on my car. When I would get over 80 miles an hour, it start to shake. So you can't have that. So doing a balance right now, and then the tires are getting rotated. So they're almost done. And then when I finish that, I'll pick back up the camera and talk to you guys. So see you soon. Here, I need to clean my car. So I have, what I'm looking for now is some tire shine so that I can make make the tires look good. I'm trying to find it in here. Tire shine. I don't know if they have the bottle. Let me check over here. Tire shine. They got tire foam. This would I had before, and this shit is kind of ass. What that tire shine, bro? Boom. This right here, this extreme tire shine. This shit is valid. This the go-to right here. I'm putting y'all on. Some wax. Cause I did last night, or for the past 2 days, I left my car under this pole, and the birds usually sit on top of it every morning and they take a shit. So I left my car there for 2 days straight. So there's bird shit all over my car. So I was gonna wait until it rains again, but I'm like, there's just no point in me doing that. So I'm gonna go get it washed now. So I'm just finding out what I need, getting a couple things, and then we're gonna go wash it. How often do y'all clean your cars? I feel like I only clean my car when it gets really dirty, or like when it just, I just want to clean it. But how often do y'all clean your cars? I know some of y'all are like serious on the detailing and stuff like that. So I'm curious to know, like, what's a good maintenance schedule for a car? Because like I said, I only clean it when it gets dirty. Some of y'all I know are like fiends. Nah, let me not say fiends. Some of y'all really do clean your cars a lot. So I'm just curious to know. I'm just curious to know that. So put it in the comments down below. Let's get back to shopping. I feel like I want a snack. Trying to see. No. All right, now we're back at the car. I want to show y'all the wheel balancing they did. So they did rotate these tires, and then they also balanced them. So if y'all have never balanced tires before, I'm pretty sure you guys are car guys or girls, so you know what this is. But they use these plates here to balance them. Got this one here in the back, and then they rotated them. And what I gotta do now is just clean this damn car, because it's bird shit literally all over it. It's insane. I mean, I just had to ride with it today, but today is the last day. I'm just gonna get it cleaned. So I'm gonna go do that right now, because it's filthy. It's just did pick up some snacks. I picked up some plantain chips to eat on the way, and then this damn Slim Jim that says hot as fuck. Let's figure out if it's really hot. All right. Got the tire shine and then the rags, so let's do it. I'll be on my way right now. I'll catch y'all in the next clip. Let's do it. Alright, back now, and I am getting the tires ready, the rims and tires ready. This right here is just some all-wheel cleaner from Meguars. I don't even know if I said that right. That's how you know it's really clean, and it turns purple. This one's already purple. That's how you know this shit was dusty. I'm gonna have to spray some on this side. I'm gonna clean it, I might as well fully clean it, you know what I'm saying? So I think it's right here. And every little crack, crevice. Look at that shit on the brake. Shit boiling, it's so hot. I shouldn't be doing that though, but the brakes is fried right now. Yeah, so how you know it's cleaning? You see it turn purple. Got it all cleaned up. I need to get these repainted. I mean, I was the one that did it. I want to get these repainted. Like a actual power coat. Because what I did was, you know, it wasn't that. Alright. Set the camera up. Let's go vacuum really quick.
Bluetooth connected.
Where's she going? Let's go vacuum. See if this one over here works. It's funny that it says that I need a tire rotation because I literally just did a tire rotation today. That's the most funniest shit ever. They would have just kept walking if I hit them. These people back here, they literally would have just kept walking. Shorty on her phone too. It's like, come on. What if I'm not a competent driver and I didn't see you and I hit your ass because you want to be on your phone? I don't know why it says this. I don't know why it says that, because I definitely did get them rotated today. So, yeah. Alright, cool. Come on. Come on. Shit dirty too, for real. Vacuum this shit, clean it out. I had to put tape on this car earlier because my fender was messed up. This shit was dead ass like poking out. Then I realized one of my friends, he kicked the fender when he was coming out the car, I don't know how hard he kicked it, but that shit came up. And the screws came out that was holding the fender in place. So that's why I had tape on that. Because we didn't know what the problem was until I really looked at it and was like, oh, the fender doesn't have the screws in it. So we had to put screws in it. Some of them up there. But anyway, let me clean this out. The stuff for the fender that I was talking about. Screws and shit. They're all on the floor. They're all on the floor. This car's a fucking mess. Alright, well, I don't want to record the whole thing. This is the before. It's filthy. Look at that map in front. Shit, dangerous. Yeah, it's pretty bad. This mat over here. You know, it's in the front. But I think the outside, I did a good job on that. On the outside, I want to say. And then the tire shine is gonna make this shit look so good.
Selling it?
Nah. See this, right? Looks mine good. Shorty asked me if I'm selling it. I know. I did a good job. I'm not selling it though. Soon. But not now. I should sell it to her ass, right? Anyway. Alright. I'll get back up with y'all when I finish. And I'll show y'all the after. Finished the car wash. This is what it looks like afterwards. And look at the tire shine. I'm not getting no promotion from this damn thing as well. So showing you it's just because I like the product and I like what it does to the tires. But yeah, we all done. So that is going to be the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys give it a like. Go ahead and comment down below what you guys want to see next from me, and go ahead and also subscribe. I know it's been a couple months, maybe a month or two since I've last posted an official video, but we're going to change that. There's going to be a lot more videos to come. I just was trying to kind of decide what content to post, but I already know what I'm going to post, so I need to just get it out. So there's going to be more of that to come. Just look forward to it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.